Hi everyone, welcome to yet another course introduction video by InfoTrack, and we are just going to proceed with yet another course which I'm going to introduce, and they are all related to data analytics. Hello, my name is Gerald and I welcome you to this video, and please stay tuned for a 3-day course related to data analysis with Excel. Now, for those of you who have actually known Power BI, there is actually a related course, right, which is 20778, which is analyzing data with Power BI. Now, this is in line with that course, which is 20779, analyzing data with Excel. Now, who would be the suitable target audiences for this particular course? Now, actually, anyone who are familiar with Excel and used to have huge amounts of data stored in their Excel, you are just right ahead and can fit into this course. Now, this is a 3-day course and we're going to have 8 modules split into that 3 days. So let me just round up all the number of modules and let me explain to you a little bit of that. Now, in module 1, of course, as usual, it's going to be an introduction to how data analysis can be achieved in Excel. Now, please bear in mind that this course is not, right, I repeat, it is not teaching you guys all the basic functionality of Excel. I'm not teaching you on all the basic operations of Excel, how to store data in your sheets and all that. Typically, this is one step further and it's considered the advanced portion of Excel. So you just need to understand all the different ribbons and the features found built into Microsoft Excel that performs and allow data analysis, such as Power Pivot, of course. Now, module 2, you're going to look into how to perform the data modeling directly inside Excel. Now, when we talk about data modeling, of course, we are looking at the feature called Power Pivot. So you're going to learn about Power Pivot directly in module number 2. Module 3, of course, when we talk about data modeling, you need to know where to get your data. So module 3, immediately we learn how to import data from files. Now, there are actually 3 straight modules learning how to get data or bringing in data into Excel. So module 3 will be importing data from file, namely text files and all that. And module number 4, we're going to look at importing data from databases such as SQL Server. And of course, module number 5, we're going to look into importing data from directly Excel reports. Now, even your Excel reports that you build, such as pivot tables and pivot charts, are considered as sources of data. And of course, that's the portion, the huge chunk where you learn how to get data into your Excel. Now, in module 6, you are going to learn how to create as well as format all the measures in your Excel. Now, apart from getting data from all different sources and all that, one of the major tasks of doing data analysis in Excel is to be able to perform calculations based on the data that you are having in your data model. So measures is actually a type of calculations, and you're going to know all about this in module number 6. So once you have got everything all prepared, and module 7 is where you learn how to visualize data in Excel. So of course, visualization of data in Excel, it's about how to create reports based on charts as well as pivot tables. Now, some of this, you will also learn features such as Power View reports that are already built into your Microsoft Excel. Now, ultimately, the last module, number 8, you're going to look at how Excel can be used alongside with Power BI. Now, this last module paves the way on how you can actually make one step further, moving out from Microsoft Excel's reporting and make use of Power BI as the tool of choice for visualizing and analyzing data. So there you go, 3 days worth of a little bit of advanced data analysis using Excel, altogether 8 modules. And this is, like I mentioned earlier, it goes hand in hand with the modules or topics covered in the course number 20778, Analyzing Data with Power BI. And these 2 courses, 20778 Power BI and 20779, this course Excel, actually each one of them has an individual Microsoft exam that contributes to the Microsoft certification for data analytics. So there you go. I do hope that those of you who are interested in data analytics, either in Power BI or Microsoft Excel, please do come and attend. So hope to see you in one of those classes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.